The process of paraphrasing can be difficult for many writers new to academic writing or learning in a new field. When writers find it difficult to paraphrase, one strategy is to use the following process. First, read the passage until you understand its meaning. Second, consider your purpose. What will you do with this evidence? Third, look away from the passage to write main points of what you read. Fourth, imagine explaining that main point to a classmate or coworker and write that explanation on the page. Fifth, double-check your wording against the original and cite your source. However, you might be wondering, how do I use this process in practice? To help you use this process, let's watch one writer as they use this strategy and paraphrase a source. The writer is paraphrasing this highlighted sentence. Critical and operationally relevant information is now commonly exchanged via social media and other digital platforms that are well suited to delivering data directly to citizens and emergency management organizations, and to encouraging exchanges between them. The writer reads the quote multiple times to ensure they fully understand the main idea. The writer wants to include this information in their paragraph about how modern communication is more democratized. They consider the main points of the quote, summarizing it as such. Social media helps communication for disasters. We can also use social media to talk to these organizations. The writer thinks about how they'd express this main point to a coworker. They write the following. Social media and other online platforms are well suited to facilitate direct communication between citizens and emergency management organizations. The writer compares their paraphrase with the quote. They realize they use too much of the same phrasing, so the voice isn't really their own. They try again, this time writing the following. Emergency management organizations and citizens can easily communicate with one another through social media and other online platforms. This second paraphrase is in the writer's own voice, clearly representing the original source's main idea, but in their own way. The writer finishes their paraphrase by adding a citation, Mehta et al., 2017.